use the new focus with Chromecast, we set up the speakers in the Google Home app. Simply open the Google Home app, and inside the app you will find that you will be prompted to set up the Focus 10 speakers. Press Configure Dynaudio Focus 10, select a home, then it will start searching for units. The Google Home app finds the Focus 10 speakers, and we're ready to proceed. It establishes a connection to the speakers, plays a small sound to acknowledge. Now we have the connection. Now you can select where is this unit placed in your home. Select, for instance, living room. And now you can give the speakers a unique name so that you can know them from your other Google Home devices. Press Next. And now the speakers are set up to function with the network. We now have a connection, and we can proceed to start using the speakers as a Chromecast device. Simply open the app. You will be prompted in the app to connect to the Focus speakers. So you push the button inside the app, and the app guides you through the setup process. And again, after a few seconds, the music starts playing on the Focus speakers. That's really all there is to it.